The Associate Cloud Engineer track enables you to become proficient with Google Cloud Platform through hands-on practice with Qwiklabs. The track provides Qwiklabs credits that you can use to complete the labs free of charge. Here are the steps to redeem Qwiklabs credits. At the beginning of the program, an invitation email was sent to you from Google Cloud EDU and Coursera, and the subject line, "You are invited to learn on Coursera." The email provides the link to redeem Qwiklabs credits and the access code. The link in the invitation email will directly open Qwiklabs, the Google Cloud Training platform, and prompt you for the access code. Here are the steps using an example. Click the invitation link. Copy and paste the access code as prompted, and click Submit. Sign in to your Qwiklabs account. Click on Join with Email to set up your Qwiklabs account. Set up your Qwiklabs account. Enter your first name, last name, and your email address. Specify the same email address that you used for your Coursera account. For company name, specify your institution's name or none. Enter password. Enable the opt-in box to receive information about new content and special discounts after you complete the Cloud Architecture quest. Enable CAPTCHA and click Create a new account. Once you have created your Qwiklabs account, you may verify that credits have been added to your Qwiklabs account. Click on the User Profile to review your Qwiklabs credit status. Click on the User Profile. Within your user profile, click My Account and click on Credits and Subscriptions for additional Qwiklabs account information. Redeeming Qwiklabs credits for the Associate Cloud Engineer track is a one-time process. If you already have a Qwiklabs account and enrolled in the Cloud Architecture quest before, please unenroll in the quest and then click the Enroll button again. Only when you click the Enroll button will the credits be applied to your account. If there are any other problems, email support@qwiklabs.com. The team will respond quickly. We have now reviewed the steps to redeem Qwiklabs credits, create your account, verify that Qwiklabs credits have been added to your account, and that support@qwiklabs.com is your resource for troubleshooting assistance.